Hello students, I am Divyam and I am welcoming you all in another video for the chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In this video we are going to study about the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Till now we had studied the physical properties of aldehyde ketone, the nomenclature for this and the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. In this chapter we are going to study the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. The very first chemical property is nucleophilic addition reaction. In this we are studying the nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl carbon. We had studied the nature of this carbonyl carbon, because if we know the nature of this, we can easily form the products. So here you can see the oxygen is more electronegative as compared to carbon. So the electron cloud, the electron pi cloud will shift towards oxygen because it's more electronegative, and it forms like this. Carbonyl will attain a positive character and oxygen will attain a negative character. Okay, so nucleophile itself have high electron density, so it will attack on positive side of this double bond. Okay, and it converted into single bond, so it will form a complex like this, in which oxygen is having a negative charge, nucleophile attached to carbon, and here the 4 bonds is already formed by this, and by protonation it forms a alcohol here. Okay, some key points are here that aldehydes are more reactive than ketones for this reaction. Always remember, aldehydes gives faster reaction, or it is more reactive as compared to ketone, and the reason is two. One is electronic and one is steric. There is two reasons for this question. Sometime a question is asked that why aldehyde give much easier nucleophilic addition reaction as compared to ketone. So there are two reasons. One is electronic reason and the second is steric reason. Let's study what are these. Ketone have 2 alkyl groups, okay, which show stronger plus I effect, and so decrease the positive charge on carbonyl carbon, thereby decreasing its reactivity. So to understand this electronic effect or electronic reason, we have to study, or we have to recall the structure of ketone. So here you can see a structure of ketone in which 2 alkyl group is here and 1 carbonyl carbon is here. And if we compare it with aldehyde, here you can see only 1 alkyl group besides the carbonyl carbon. Okay, so this creates a more electron density on carbon. As we know that alkyl group is showing a plus I effect. It means it donates electrons. Okay, so alkyl group showing this effect, so it increases the density on carbon. But in case of aldehyde, only 1 alkyl group is here, so compared to this, only a single effect is here. So this donation of electron balances the positive character of carbon. So in case of aldehyde, there is more chances of nucleophile to attack here as compared to this, because carbon is having less of positive character here as compared to, carbon is having more positive character in aldehyde as compared to ketone. So this will react in faster rate as compared to ketones. Okay, I think it will be clear till now the electronic effect. Now the steric effect. In steric effect you are seeing there are 2 alkyl group in ketones, so it creates what? Hindrance. Okay, because it's a larger group. And here you can see in aldehyde, one is hydrogen and another is alkyl. So there is less of steric hindrance present in this. So the question, if you ask a question, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones, so you have to give two reasons. One is electronic effect and another is steric effect, and the reason is clear from here. Okay. One more thing, if electron withdrawing group is attached or electron donating group is attached, so what will happen to this reaction? Okay, if electron donating group is present here, it means some group which is donating electron to this carbon. As you know, the carbon is having positive character because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It will the electron cloud is shifting towards the oxygen, and carbon is having positive character, and in this carbon, at this carbon, nucleophile is going to attack. So if there is any electron donating group, it will decreases the positive character of carbon, and that's why it will react at slower rate towards this nucleophilic addition reaction. But if there is any electron withdrawing group, this will react with the faster rate for this nucleophilic addition reaction. I think this will be clear about this nucleophilic addition reaction. If you like my videos, so please like and share and subscribe to my channel. As we had seen the reactivity of aldehyde and ketone toward nucleophilic addition reaction, now we are going to compare the reactivity of propanol and benzaldehyde. Propanol, it means what? CHO, H2H3. This is propanol. And what is benzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde is a CHO group on benzene. Okay, so now we have to compare the reactivity of these two. One is aliphatic aldehyde and another is aromatic aldehyde. Okay, so propanol is more reactive toward nucleophilic addition reaction as compared to benzaldehyde. Okay, so why this is so? The reason is that in case of benzaldehyde, as we are saying, benzaldehyde is less reactive toward nucleophilic addition reaction. Why? Because the positive charge is delocalized due to resonance, which decreases the electrophilic character of carbonyl carbon. What does this mean? As we know, the carbon is positively charged as compared to oxygen in the carbonyl carbon, because oxygen having a more electronegative nature, it pulls the electron clouds toward itself. So the positive character charge is delocalized due to resonance, but the positive charge attained by this carbon is delocalized in this ring. Okay, so this decreases the electrophilic character of carbonyl carbon because the positive charge of carbonyl carbon is delocalized in this ring. But in case of propanol, the positive charge is localized on this carbon. So it reacts by faster rate with the nucleophiles. Okay, so if the question is asked, you have to draw the resonating structure of benzaldehyde by showing the delocalization of positive charge towards the ring. And now I hope this question is clear, that why propanol is more reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. And the order of reactivity, you can take a screenshot from here and you will better explain this series if you had understood the basic concept of this particular nucleophilic addition reaction. If you know the nature of this carbonyl carbon, I had uploaded a video on structure of carbonyl carbon. If you will watch that carefully, you can understood the nature and you can easily draw this series, or you can easily compare the given different structures that which is going to be react with faster rate towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, so in this video we had discussed a nucleophilic addition reaction, and we had compared the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones and also the reactivity of propanol and benzaldehyde. And after writing this series, you can compare or you can give the reasons also for this decreasing order of reactivity towards. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.